What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today once again we want to recreate a look. You sent this request a lot, this picture of this AVANI post that she posted on her Instagram account, and you really wanted me to figure out how to recreate this purple kind of vintage disposable camera look, and I figured out a way to recreate this look using your smartphone and the free Lightroom app only, as always. And of course, as always, I have created a preset for you as well to just save you some time to easily paste to your picture to give it that look. If you don't want to follow along to the whole tutorial, it's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 150 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that once you buy it, you will be getting all my future presets for free in the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll have a growing presets pack, which is a really special thing. So make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, if there's anything else you need from me, any questions you have or new requests for new videos, new tutorials, new looks, anything like that, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation and really excited to get your message. So do that. Now I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The important thing about this picture is that you take the picture with your flash on and make sure that you're in a dark surrounding, maybe as she is in, I don't know, the bathroom with the lights out, and then the only light is coming from your smartphone flash. And once you have this picture, we want to open it in the free Lightroom app, and I'll show you how to edit it right now. So we open the Lightroom app, take this picture. Now I've chosen this picture of AVANI just because it's the perfect base. Again, it's taken with flash. She has those red pants, so it comes super close to the one that we're looking for. Then we go to light and curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve as it is right here. So just on the bottom left side, the shadows, kind of get that little curve in there, and then create that smooth S curve towards the upper right side towards the highlights. And once you have this curve as it is right here, we're done. Now for the contrast, we want to pull that down a little bit to -24. The highlights we want to pull down all the way to -87 or 86 right here. The shadows we want to pull down as well all the way to -18, and the whites down again to pretty far this time, -78 is perfect, and the blacks a little bit to -14 right here. Then we go over to color, and here we just want to pull down the temperature a little bit to -9 to give that blue look. And the tint now, we want to boost that up all the way to +55 right here, which is perfect. Now it's already purple, but we want to pull down the saturation a little bit to -20 right here. And then we want to hit the color mix on the upper right side, and here we just want to boost up the hue for the red tones to +30 right here. And then we go over to the orange tones. Here we just want to boost up the saturation a little bit to +13. Then we go over to the yellow tones here, and here we want to pull down the hue to -24 or 23, boost up the saturation to +40 in this case. And then we're done with the mix. We go over to grading on top here, and now for the shadows here, we want to pull up the hue all the way to 127 and the saturation up to 26 is perfect. Then we're not gonna change anything for the midtones, but the highlights right here, we want to pull the hue all the way up to 315 right there, and the saturation up to around 32 is perfect, or 33. And then we're done here. Now the last thing we want to do is go to the effects here, and we just want to create a little vignette. So we pull this down to -8 to create, or -9 to create that kind of dark circle around the image to enhance that flash look. And then of course we want to add grain right here to around 27, not too much, just a really subtle grain to make it look as realistic as possible. And we are done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to this purple AVANI look that you guys requested. I'm really happy with the result of this tutorial. Let me know your opinion in the comments, how you like this video. Show me your pictures if you want to on Instagram. And of course, let me tell you again, I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you're having troubles with the curve, with any of those settings, you just want to save some time, feel free to download that. Link is under this video and it's on my website in that all presets pack with over 150 presets. And the cool thing, as I said in the beginning about this all presets pack, is that once you buy it, you will be getting all my future presets for free in the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll have a growing presets pack, which is a really special thing. So make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything you need, I'm always open for conversation. Just DM me on Instagram, at Steven Wommack is my handle. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for your support. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have fun with this AVANI edit. Stay creative, stay healthy, peace.